Welcome to the seated stretch where we are going to take a brief break from work maybe, or just sneak in a little bit of yoga into your day if needed. My name is Heather, and let's all get started by scooting up onto the edge of our seat, feet grounded into the floor, if you can reach, and interlace both hands together. Open up the palms and send them forward and then up. Inhale and exhale, lean to the right. Inhale back to center and exhale to the left. Inhale, take it back to center, and then just bring your palms to the back of your head. One more inhale first, and then exhale, dip the chin in, back of the neck long. Just to get a neck stretch in. Bring the head back up, release the hands, and just bring them right behind your back to interlace them again. You can even try interlacing with the opposite finger on top this time. Great yoga for the brain as well. And bring both hands to one side of your waist. So let's bring them to the left side first, and then tilt the head to the left. And then bring both fists, both hands to the right side of the waist this time. Tilt the head to the right. Come back up, keep those hands interlaced, and let's roll back the shoulders, open up through the chest, maybe even slightly look up. Fists come down, and then if you would like to fold forward, fold forward. Inhale to come up. Release the hands from one another. You can shake out the wrists a little bit, and even open and close the fists a few times. And then bring the right knee into the chest. Flex through that foot. Cross it over the left knee. From here, inhale, send both hands up high to the sky. And exhale, bring your right hand to the inside of your right foot. Left hand comes to the back of your chair and twist. And come forward, release, knee back into the chest first, and then bring it down. Let's just switch. So bring the left knee into the chest this time. Flex through that foot, cross it over the right knee, and both hands come up once more. Inhale, and exhale, twist to the right. Left hand to the inside of the left sole, right hand on the back of the chair. Untwist, come forward, knee into the chest, and then release. Extend one leg out and then the other, just shaking everything out. And then find a moment of stillness before you end your practice, your mini practice. Hands can come to thighs or in the lap. And close the eyes for a moment. Take a quick seated Savasana. Maybe take 3 deep breaths by yourself before you just jump right back into your day. Thank you so much, as always, for practicing with me. Have a wonderful one, and namaste.